Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Today I have a really quick and easy DIY for you guys. It can be for the fall or actually any time of the year. So recently I spotted these brass leaf wreaths forms at Dollar Tree and I absolutely love them because I had seen a few girls haul them, but I had never seen them at the Dollar Tree yet, so I was waiting for them to get there, and I think they're really pretty, and so I picked up 3. And so to get started for our first part of the DIY, this is what a closer look to what they look like. We're going to be using my little jumbo pieces of crushed glass. This one is called Platinum Moonlight, and it's a little gray with little tones of gold. And this one is more gold and is called Sunstorm Gold. And so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to mix a little bit of both, just so that we don't have too much of either one. And this is what it looks like when I have mixed both of them together here. So what I decided to do was to outline the leaf with the crushed glass. So basically I'm going to go all around and I'm going to be alternating between the gold and the silver gold all around the leaf. Now for the video, for quick purposes, just because I need this to, you know, just for like the quick moment, I'm using hot glue, but I can't emphasize enough that this crushed glass will not stay in place with hot glue alone. Absolutely not. They will fall off, guaranteed. So go ahead and use your E6000, or in my case I have the Gorilla, the comparable to E6000 or anything like that, a permanent glue to hold these in place. You can also use the hot glue together with that glue, but hot glue alone, again, is not going to hold them in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue, and I'm going to go all around, covering all the surfaces except for this little part coming up that I'm going to show you. Because what I'm planning to do with this for our first look, I'm turning these into sconces, and this is what it's looking like so far, and I think it's just so pretty. And so that middle part right there, I had these kind of L brackets, if you will, in my stash. And you can find these at any of the hardware stores, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. And so this is what I'm going to hold my vote in. Now these voters come in a pack of 3 or 4 at Dollar Tree. You can find them there. And so again, I'm turning these into votives. And so what you want to do, again, you want to use your strongest glue, obviously, to hold it. This is the most important part, especially if you're going to use a real fire tea light. You want to make sure that this is secured in place and that it's not going to go anywhere. So gonna apply that, and I do recommend that you allow this to dry at least for 24 to 48 hours just to be sure. Go ahead and glue that in place, and you can, like you see here, you can even use a zip tie to reinforce it even more. I kind of did without, because in the end I'm not going to use these, although they're really pretty. I'm not going to use them as sconces. I'm going to use them for the second look in my home, but I'm giving you guys 2 looks to go for. And so yeah, so once that's dry, that's what that's looking like. And so again, you want to go ahead and apply there your strongest glue to hold the glass votive in place. Here I'm just giving you a closer look of what it looks like there. And so being that it has 2 holes, you can easily put the zip tie through, you know, through there, so if you want to. And that is it, you guys. So coming right up, I'm going to show you how they turned out. And here you go. I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. Actually, the camera does not do it justice. This glass is very shiny. It really glistens in the night. Here I had the light somewhat dimmed, and you can see how beautifully it glistens, and I think it's just gorgeous. I can see this on either side of a beautiful artwork, or a beautiful mirror. You can put this in the bathroom. You can pretty much place these everywhere. And here is the second look that I'm going to be using it in my home, and it's kind of like that staggered effect. Now I will leave the SKU number for Dollar Tree for these metal leaves. You can't find them, you can definitely order them online. They do come in a 24 box, but I'm actually thinking of getting more because I kind of want to create that kind of that fluttering effect, like, you know, leaves when they're falling from the sky or from the tree. They don't fall from the sky, they fall from the tree. So when they're falling, kind of like that fluttery scattered effect, that's kind of like what I want to create. Either look I think is absolutely beautiful, but as always I want to hear your thoughts. Please give me a thumbs up if you think I'm deserving. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to recreate this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.